Atma, Namaste. It is Thursday, July 2nd, 2026, and the morning whisper is love is your true nature. And I want to talk about that a little bit, but first I want to honor my mother. She passed away 10 years ago today, and I just simply want to thank her for being mommy, for taking care of me the best that she could with what she had, for loving me, and for being with me every day since then, especially today. July 2nd used to be a really difficult day for me. It's not so difficult anymore. Oh, she was and is so lovely, and I am honored to be called her daughter. So today, I love you, Mommy. And thank you for being with me, teaching me the things that you taught me, and bravely walking your invitation. That was your life. Love is your true nature. As we sit together on this beautiful morning, I invite you to take a slow breath in and gently breathe it out. Love is your true nature. It's an idea that beneath your fears, beneath your defenses, your wounds, your conditioning, your deepest essence is love. It doesn't mean you always feel loving or that life is always easy. It suggests that who you fundamentally are is already whole, already connected and capable and deserving of love. And in many spiritual traditions, love and true nature of love is expressed in different ways. So much like we're doing this morning, our mindfulness and meditation it points to the awareness beneath all thoughts and emotions, the in-between, where there's nothing here other than peace and stillness. And in Eastern traditions, it refers to the true self that is naturally compassionate and peaceful. And then you have Christian mysticism, where it echoes the belief that we are created in the image of a loving God. This one took me a minute, but in recovery programs, because I'm a frequent flyer, right? In recovery programs, much like the one I work, it aligns with the idea that as my ego softens, or as our ego softens, and we surrender to a higher power, our authentic self emerges. That self is wood that is guided by love rather than fear. being said, what keeps us from experiencing our true nature? Well, as littles, as children, and through life's painful experiences, we learn to protect ourselves. And if you're anything like me, you build layers. And the layers can be fear of abandonment, shame, the need to control outcomes, people pleasing. That's a big one. Anger or resentment. Believing that we're not enough. I still struggle with that. Or that I'm deserving. So these aren't who we are. They're just survival strategies. And those are a lot of layers. Those are a lot of survival strategies that I've built up. And some of those walls are thicker depending on the pain, the experience. And some of them not so thick, a little bit easier to work through. Let's do this together. I want you to imagine the sun hidden behind thick clouds. And the clouds, they don't extinguish the sun, they just obscure it. It's a little bit more difficult to see. You can actually look at the sun and feel like your eyeballs aren't gonna fall out. But love is like that sun. It's always there. Even when fear, the haze, temporarily blocks your view. So what does living from your true nature feel like? Well, when I'm connected to my true nature, I notice some things. I have a sense of peace that's not dependent upon environmental items or outside circumstances. The peace is here. I have compassion for myself and for others. Things that would frustrate me are just life. A little chuckle. For me, it's the ability to forgive without using harmful behavior. That one takes some practice. It's the courage to set healthy boundaries. I've gained respect from doing that, from people that I do set the boundaries with. It's so scary at first. Gratitude. I have gratitude that rises naturally, that automatic thank you from the wonder that we've spoken about. I feel connected to something greater than myself. Higher power, source, light beings, gurus, protectors, angels, ancestors, whatever that may be. And in my journey, I have been healing old codependency patterns. I'm working a spiritual program. I'm deepening my practice, my spiritual practice. Creating Whispering Oasis as a place of healing, not just for those who stumble upon or are called to it, but for me, for myself. I heal through you. I navigate painful moments in my relationships and ask, what is healthy love? Is this healthy love? How can it be healthy love? What does it look like, feel like, taste like? Love is your true nature doesn't mean accepting mistreatment in the name of love. And In fact, when you're living from your true nature, when you're in that space, love looks like I'm choosing myself without abandoning others. Try that on for size. I'm speaking my truth with kindness. My words don't have to be daggers. They can be loving and embrace who I'm sharing them or communicating with. It's allowing others to experience the consequences of their choices. That emotion's not all for me to carry and hold. It's trusting that I don't have to chase love, because I already am love. I am love. And the more connected we all become to true nature, the less we start asking, how do I get someone to love me? Why doesn't anybody love me? It's do my relationships honor the love that already exists and lives within me? Are they a reflection of that love? Treat others the way that you would like to be treated comes to mind. That is a profoundly different question. So again, let's sit in this together. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. And as you take a slow breath in, I want you to place your hand over your heart. And gently release. And as you take another inhale in, place your other hand over your heart. And exhale. I want you to imagine that beneath every fear, every disappointment, every story you ever believed about not being enough, imagine that there is a quiet light. It doesn't need to become brighter. It doesn't need to earn its place. It has never left you. And silently repeat, I am not the fear that visits me. I am not the wounds I carry. Beneath every layer, I am love. Love is not something I must chase. Love is what I return to. I want you to rest there for a few breaths. Just allow yourself to simply remember, not become who you already are. Remembering is what many spiritual paths call coming home. You know, it's interesting. The coming home. The coming home for me feels like a steady rhythm. It's waking up every morning with gratitude that I get to fill this body, this being, with breath, with love. It's no longer love that I need to earn or that I need to chase. Breath and love that has always been there, accessible to me. It's always lived within me. And for so long, I took this invitation, I took this experience for granted. Not today, not now, not in this present moment. There is so much beauty in all things around me, in all things in me. My heart is open. It's the most open it's ever been. And if there's one thing that I would encourage you to do, is to really start looking inward. Move through your day with compassion for yourself. Move through your day knowing that love lives within you. That magnetism, that energetic pool. When we share our heart freely, the people that come into our space, the friends and family that we haven't heard from, that just happen to reach out. On this day, my heart is full. And that feels pretty spectacular. And well, I'm always learning, always growing, right? I could take this moment and really feel that love. It's exquisite. I'm sending some to you. I'm sending you love today. I'm sending you compassion. And I'm sending you awareness so that you can feel that. Walk through today gently, loving yourself and those around you. And any energies that you bump into that are a little stubborn or different, send them love bombs. Because we're all just here to help each other home. And this coming home feels really good. Until tomorrow. Atma Namaste.